I just want to go home.
We will. I promise.
I made this 4K cinematic short film using a completely free AI video generator. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how I did it, step by step. So let's dive in. First, I need a proper script and cinematic prompts for each scene. So I'm using Gemini for that. I am entering the prompt guide to generate the storyboard. Hit enter. Look at this. In seconds, Gemini has written the entire storyboard. Every scene. Every character detail. Now I ask it to convert everything into technical VEO 3.1 prompts, and it's already done. This is insane. To generate this film, I used Google Flow, powered by VEO 3.1. And the best part? It is completely free. I create a new project. Select the ingredients to Video Tool. Choose 16:9 aspect ratio. Select the VEO 3.1 fast model. Now I upload my reference photos as ingredient images, so the AI knows exactly what these characters look like. I paste the VEO prompts from Gemini and generate each scene one by one. Every single clip is coming out cinematic. The emotion, the 1940s feel, the character consistency. I genuinely cannot believe this is AI generated, and it's completely free. But wait, you saw those photos I used as reference images, right? Let me show you their original condition. Cracks everywhere. So how did I turn them into clean reference images? This is where UniConverter 17 comes in. UniConverter 17 is one of the best AI-powered media converter and enhancer tools available right now. It integrates with AI models like Nano Banana Pro, Topaz, and more. The link is in the description. You can install it directly from there. To restore our old photos, we go to the AI Image Enhance tool. I am uploading my first image. We have lots of options. The Auto Enhancer. Then we have the Face Enhancer option. After that, you can upscale the image to 8K resolution. Next, we have the Old Photo Restoration feature, where we can turn a torn photo into a clean image. And then Old Photo Colorization and Color Correction to turn our image into a colorful image. However, the best features are in the advanced model. Inside Old Photo Repair, you will find two options: Clarity Boost and Photo Colorization. First, we need to use the Clarity Boost feature. After selecting the model, you can see the preview. I'm going to click on the Export All button. It will take around 30 seconds. And here it is. Look at that. From completely destroyed to crystal clear. Now colorization. Upload your clear black and white image. Click on UniConverter's photo colorization. Watch what happens. I mean, look at him. He looks like a real person now. You can see the eyes, the skin, the expressions. However, if you find the process time-consuming, you can actually restore 20 images at a time with a single click. Upload all images, select the model, hit export, and UniConverter handles the rest. And here you can see UniConverter used the Nano Banana Pro model, and it did a great job. Now back to our generated clips. Here is the problem. Google Flow generates at 720p resolution, and clips have watermarks on them. For YouTube, that's not good enough. So we go back to UniConverter 17. Go to the Video tab and select the Video Enhancement option. Upload the video clips. Now select the AI model. The most powerful option here is the Topaz Generative Enhancement. It enhances fine details while upscaling the video. Hit export. Now look at the quality. It is a full 1080p video now. The difference is unreal. Now I'm also using the noise remover to clean up the background noise in the clips.
I just want to go home.
We will.
I just want to go home.
Some of the AI-generated clips have watermarks on them. No problem. Watermark Remover takes care of that instantly. Select the area. Apply to all. Done. Last step, merging everything together. I go to the Merger tool, upload all clips in order, and combine them into one final film. Let's watch the film.
I just want to go home.
We will. I promise.
I honestly did not expect it to come out this good. The character consistency, the cinematic quality. Google Flow brought the story to life. UniConverter 17 handled everything else. Restoration, enhancement, watermark removal. Together, this is what's possible with AI. If you want to try this yourself, the link to UniConverter 17 is in the description below. And if this video gave you chills like it gave me, hit that like button. Subscribe for more AI content. See you in the next one.